Okay, second graders, today we're going to number the, sorry, we're going to put the numbers in order. Remember, we look at the hundreds place first. So there's I see a 3, a 4, and a 5. Well, that's easy. 3 is least. 356 will come first. Cross that off. Then 439, because 4 comes next when I'm counting. Cross that one off. And finally, the greatest is 560. Okay, so now let's look again. Still says least to greatest, remember? Smallest to biggest. So let's go ahead and look. Okay, so I'm looking in the hundreds. We have a 6, a 5, and a 6. Well, I know that 5 is the smallest out of those, so I'm going to put 547 first. Okay, cross that off. Uh-oh. So now these both have 6s, so now I'm going to have to look in the 10s. 2 and 9, well, 2 is smaller than 9, so 628 comes next. Cross that off, and the greatest or the biggest is 692. All right, number 3. Oh, wow, these all have 3s in the hundreds place. So now I'm going to look in the 10s place. There's a 3 there, 1 there, and a 3 there. Well, 1 comes before 3, so 318 is the smallest or the least. Well, since these both have 3s in the 10s place, I'm going to have to look in the 1s place. So here, this one has a 3 and this one has a 7. 3 is smaller than 7, so 333 comes next. And the final number, the greatest or biggest number, is 337. Cross those out. Number 4, let's look again at the numbers on the beach balls. I noticed they all start with 1s in the hundreds place, so I'm going to have to move to the, that's right, 10s place. Well, these both have 0s and this one has 3, so I know that 0 is smaller than 3, so I'm going to have to look in the 1s. Again, 1 is smaller than 3, so 101 comes first. Then 103, then 130. It's just like ABC order, but with numbers. Do you understand this one goes on seesaw? Is a number with 3 digits always greater than a number with 2 digits? How do you know? Remember, to post that on seesaw, then go and comment and look at others or listen to others. Go to the next side. This will be your practice on your own. All right. Numbers 5 and 6. You are still writing the numbers least to greatest. So smallest to biggest. And then numbers 7 and 8. Look, there's extra directions, so I need to read those. Sorry for that bell interruption. Write the numbers in order from greatest to least. Notice it says greatest to least. Greatest to least. So biggest to smallest. Number 9 says 3 children play a game. Read the clues, write the names to match their scores. Tia has fewer points than Raj. Allie has the least number of points. So I will give you a hint. If Allie has the least number of points, I need to find the number that is the smallest. So Allie has the least. Which number has the least? You're going to write her name next to the least number that is the least or the smallest. So that would be this one. It's 564. Okay, I've already done that one. Tia has fewer points than Raj. So I need to write Tia and Raj on which one they go on. If Tia has fewer, fewer is the same as less. So who has the most? Go to the back. Solve the problems below. Number 10. 3 children read books. Order the number of pages they read from least to greatest again. So again, it says least to greatest, smallest to biggest. Number 11, Ray has 111 stamps. Josie has 121 stamps. Ming has the greatest number of stamps. So greatest is the biggest. Choose the number of stamps that Ming has. Which of these, A, B, C, or D, is greater than 111 and 121? And the journal, number 12. Order the numbers 964, 694, and 946 from greatest to least. Then write a story about the numbers. Okay, so I could say something about someone having a collection, someone having points, all those great things.
Hi, do you have any?
All right. So I could say something about someone owning collection of something, someone scoring points. That can be my story. So I could say my sister owns 964 cupcakes. Whoa, that's a lot. I have 694 cupcakes and my brother has 946 cupcakes. Who has the least number of cupcakes? Okay, second graders, when you are done, find an adult who is not working with a group and have them check your paper. Then go on Seesaw and look at other people's Do You Understand?